Good morning, everyone. I have tried to tape this a couple of times using my screen recorder, which did not work. And then I tried to tape it using my phone and forgot to hit record. But anyway, good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to let you know who won the Amazon gift card, and it's Shannon Kirby. And she wrote, "Can't believe it. You are almost at 200 subscribers. You can make room for me in the giveaway. I love to save it for later use." Shannon, I will contact you. I believe that there is an email address on your YouTube profile. Anyway, I will contact you through email. Please reply. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and happy Valentine's Day if you celebrate that. And anyway, have a great day, guys. Bye.